Hi everyone, it is one half of the Meet the Masons duo today. So I'm here to give you guys an update. Last week you did not see a video and we apologize for that. We were actually on vacation in Cancun, Mexico, and we were really enjoying ourselves. It was amazing. And we enjoyed ourselves so much so that we came back and still enjoyed ourselves. We went to go see family. We were still organizing our home, cleaning up, cooking, all of that. So because of that, we don't have a video this week. But we wanted to let you know that we will have a vlog for you guys next week of how Cancun, Mexico was. So far, 2017 has been pretty amazing and pretty busy. So we are finally getting time to just settle down this year and really plan and think about what the rest of our year is going to be like. So it's just very important for us to prioritize our marriage and our home life and our own health, our spiritual, mental, emotional health, because it's like if we don't have ourselves together, why are we going to present ourselves to the world and keep going forward if we are not healthy? Like, that is something that we have to break in our lives, and our community is very big. So we just chose to take a break this week, but we hope you guys can understand that, and that we will definitely be back next week, next Tuesday. So we love you all, and we will see you all soon. Bye.